back to the channel, everyone. We are in the S650 today, the 2024 Mustang GT. Man, looks like it's gonna rain soon too. That's crazy. Now, this is actually the first time I'm driving this car in 2 weeks, literally. So I want to make sure that I move the car around so the battery does not die, because the batteries for these Mustangs are not cheap. It would just be stupid just let it die. So taking this car to run a couple errands. I got my boy with the Supra with me as well. We might get a run in. I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna get gapped, but I'm actually kind of curious to see how it will turn out. This car actually, believe it or not, is on E30. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, it's probably like an E40 mix on accident, because the last time I took this car out, I had no gas in it. And because like I have not been driving like this car specifically, and at the time, I had recently just put the Shelby GT 350 on E85. I quite literally have just been so just used to going to the same two pumps and pumping E. So I literally just started pumping E85 into this car just out of habit. I put like 15 bucks. I was like, wait, oh my God. Luckily this car literally had like no gas. Like I'm talking about, I literally pulled up at like 2 to E. So I just topped the rest off with 93. So it's like E40 right now. I actually have not done a hard pull since. I'm like at half a tank, and I drove it around a little bit, but I literally have not been driving this car like whatsoever. The only time I do take this car out is if the weather is bad, or if I'm just going to get groceries like by myself. And considering the fact that I've had a buddy for like the past like 2 weeks, actually over 2 weeks at this point, there just has been no point of me taking this car out, or I just haven't been taking it out. I'll just take the Shelby GT 350 out because the weather, you know, all last week was nice. Previous week it was cold, raining. I wasn't trying to take anything out, to be honest. But yeah, I've not taken this car out in over 2 weeks. It's kind of crazy. So this is literally just a stock S650 with just like an E40 blend. It's got the H pipe, but you know, that's it. Stock wheels, stock tires. I really should not be doing no type of burnouts or anything like that in this car, because obviously the daily it'd be kind of dumb to do that. And on top of that, I'm trying to have these tires last. I'm trying to get 10K miles out these tires or more, but we'll see though. I do want to get new wheels for this car, but it's just like, man, is there even a point? I don't even really even drive it like that. And it's just literally like the daily. I don't know, I'm probably gonna end up doing it, but right now, not really tripping on that. Whew, this car needs a Whipple. For real. This car needs a Whipple. Needs the ECU needs to be unlocked, man. That's the only reason why I haven't done anything, man, because it's like I'm not really going to feel a difference. Well, maybe I will. I definitely will, but I'm not gonna feel a difference without like a proper tune with E85, because I honestly don't like doing the blend. It's kind of annoying because you have to go ahead and calculate everything. Like I just rather just fill up with 93 or fill up with E85, preferably E85, but you obviously can't do that with this car, so it's kind of annoying. Yeah, you can go buy the E30 drum, but dude, that shit is expensive. It's like 80 bucks. Like, am I gonna do that with a stock car? Nah. 392, I need to run one of those in this, bro. I think that'd actually be a good run. If I was to race at 392, I think it'd be a good run. I think it'd actually be a pretty good run, believe it or not. But man, I still love driving this car though, dude. Like every time I get in it, I'm like, damn, this is nice, because like it's just chill. Another 392. God damn, I should have turned that way. I still love driving this car. It's just comfy, bro. It's a nice drive, man. The S650s, they're great cars. It's just I want the ECU to be unlocked so I can actually have some fun, man. Something you can do. Whipple got everything on lock. Ford got everything on lock. Only thing you can do is put a Whipple on it, a Roush, and that's it. I think Pro Charger has calibration, but I'm not putting another Pro Charger on a car. I'm trying to do something different. So many Whipple variations, man, with these S650s. I know they get down. So many Whipple variations now. I'm gonna probably make a video talking about that too. Like, there's just so many Whipple variations on these cars, man. We got some traffic over here. The way this car sounds. I think this is for real the best sounding Coyote though. The Gen 4, it just got that, it has like that nice deep rumble. That's what I love about it. It's like that nice deep rumble. Rah! Rah! I just like it. I think my buddy got stuck behind a truck or something. Yeah, he definitely did. But it literally looks like it is going to rain, like, damn. Well, I'll catch y'all when we get close to the gas station. I don't need to get gas, but he does, and then I might test this car out. It's gonna be like, I don't know, the last time I did a hit, I can't even tell you the last time I did a hit. It's been a minute. Actually, no. I think I did one like last month, actually. Just to knock the cobwebs off. But we'll see. Alright, we at the gas station. A lot of traffic, man. A lot of traffic. I don't know how this car got dirty so fast. I don't know, dude. It's Texas, bro. It's literally Texas, bro. My boy actually is not on the E-blend, he's on 93. So maybe this actually will be pretty interesting, I don't know. Actually, no, I'm still gonna get gap, but it's not as bad. We'll find out. Let's get out of here. Let me make sure that I actually have, that Supra sounded nasty. Yeah, the tires they be chirping. I'm getting gapped, bro. Like, I'm getting gapped. Let me turn off, let me fully shut off advanced track. Corvette world. What is that? Yeah, those pops and bangs, dude. It pops more on like the straight 93. The Shelby GT50 did the same thing, or it just popped more on 93.
A few moments later.
What the hell? How much you want to bet if this Z goes the same? I bet you I could gap that too, honestly. Maybe. I don't know with this car, maybe. I'm on the blend, actually. There's no way I'm not. Let me roll my windows up on them right quick. Hold on. I don't know I have the GoPro. Keep going straight, please. Ah, nah, he gonna turn. Yeah, his ass turning. But. Nah, I'm getting gapped. We'll do it on the way back. There's too much traffic. Dude, I literally just did not, I felt no life. That second gear, bro. That second gear 40, bro, holy shit. Ah, this car needs mods. Even like a first gear, shit. I would have put the Shelby in a wall if I did that earlier. Oh, he turned it. I'm like, wait, did he pass? Oh, somebody's parked in our spot. Oh, I kind of parked like an idiot.
Follow the car and get your ass in.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
And in typical Texas fashion, it starts to rain. Like, bro, are you kidding me? Fucking gone. Woo! Ba 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 ba. There's currently a cop just riding my buddy's behind. Dude. Oh my lord. Damn, bro, I thought he was gonna, that was kind of sketchy. Woo! I kind of got scared.
On my ass, I was like, fuck, dude. I was like, fuck.
I kind of got scared.
Yeah, I was like, there ain't no way I'm gonna get a ticket for some bullshit right
Yeah, like out of state plater, like some stupid shit, like, yeah. All right, so we're back at the casa, man. I wake up, my door is blown off. Like this car, oh my God. Oh man, I'm telling y'all right now, like there is a very, very distinct feeling between like 400 horsepower and 800 horsepower. Like it's, if you have a 400 horsepower car and also an 800 horsepower car, or like me, experienced it all and also have both, I'm telling you this right now, it's crazy. It's crazy. I would have gotten my doors blown off by the Supra, but dude, it just, this car, unlock the ECUs, Ford. Please unlock the ECUs, Ford, because like this doesn't, well, it makes sense, but your mind can't comprehend it. It's the butt dyno. It's like, dog, they gotta go ahead and unlock these computers, man, because literally just with a Whipple, a Whipple, a fuel system E85, bro, these things, they would be disgusting. But come on, unlock the computers. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, man. I'm telling you, man, do not take the horsepower for granted. Like, people don't understand. Like in my last video, I was talking about everybody's trying to rush. If you're in a 400 horsepower car, you cannot rationalize with an 800 horsepower car saying you need to be rushing everywhere. Guys, I'm telling you, it is a different world. Believe that.